The 1000W folding electric bike is an impressive piece of engineering that stands out in the crowded e-bike market. Designed for both casual riders and serious commuters, this electric bike combines power, portability, and performance, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to tackle urban environments or rugged terrains with ease. One of the most notable features of this e-bike is its powerful 1000W motor. This robust engine allows the bike to effortlessly reach speeds of up to 30+MPH, granting riders the thrill of speed while maintaining stability and control. Whether you are zipping through city streets or cruising along scenic trails, the motor delivers consistent power, making every ride exhilarating. The immediate torque from the motor means that starting from a stop is smooth and quick, which is especially beneficial in heavy traffic situations. Another standout feature is the bike's 48V 20AH removable battery. This large-capacity battery not only offers an impressive range, typically around 40 to 50 miles on a single charge, but also allows for easy charging and replacement. The removable design is a game-changer for urban riders who may not have easy access to outdoor charging facilities. You can simply detach the battery and bring it inside to charge, providing convenience and peace of mind. The battery is also designed for longevity, which means you won't have to worry about replacing it too soon, a common concern among e-bike users. The folding design of this electric bike is another key benefit, especially for those who have limited storage space or need to transport the bike in a car or on public transport. The folding mechanism is intuitive and easy to operate, allowing you to collapse the bike in seconds. Despite its compact size when folded, the bike does not sacrifice performance. It remains sturdy and reliable when fully assembled. This feature appeals to commuters who want to combine cycling with other modes of transport or those who live in apartments with limited space. In terms of build quality, the 1000W folding electric bike does not disappoint. The frame is constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy, which ensures durability while keeping the bike lightweight. The overall design feels robust yet manageable, and the bike can support a considerable amount of weight without compromising on performance. The attention to detail in the construction is evident, with features such as adjustable handlebars and a comfortable seat that enhance the riding experience. The bike is equipped with a front suspension fork that is adjustable, allowing for a smoother ride over bumpy terrains. Riders will appreciate the added comfort and reduced fatigue during longer journeys, as the suspension absorbs shocks effectively. Coupled with the bike's wide tires, which offer excellent traction and stability, this e-bike is well suited for various conditions, whether you're navigating through city streets or tackling rugged trails. Safety features are paramount in any bike, and this model includes front and rear disc brakes that provide reliable stopping power. The brakes feel responsive, giving riders confidence in their ability to stop quickly when needed. Additionally, the bike comes with integrated LED lights, enhancing visibility during nighttime rides. These safety features make the bike suitable for users of all experience levels, from novice riders to seasoned cyclists. Control and customization are further enhanced by the digital display panel that shows essential information such as speed, battery level, and distance traveled. The display is easy to read and navigate, allowing riders to keep track of their performance without distraction. Moreover, the bike offers multiple levels of pedal assistance, which allows riders to choose how much help they want from the motor. This feature is particularly useful for those looking to exercise while still enjoying the benefits of an electric bike. While the 1000W folding electric bike boasts numerous positives, it is not without its drawbacks. Some users may find the bike a bit heavier than expected due to the powerful motor and large battery. Additionally, the price point may be higher compared to conventional bikes, but considering the performance and features, it offers good value for money. In conclusion, the 1000W folding electric bike is a remarkable option for anyone seeking a versatile and powerful electric bike. Its combination of speed, portability, and durability makes